Good morning, students. Welcome to English class, Unit 7, Poem. My computer needs a break. My computer needs a break is written by Shaniti Govindan. She is a person who is very good at her English literature. She is specialized for the children's literature in English in India. She has written over 50 books for children, including poetry, picture books, and short stories for children of all ages. She was awarded for her English literature. Her nationality is Indian and American. Now, let us study in detail about the poem My Computer Needs a Break. My computer has always been so brainy and smart. It seems to know mountains of information by heart. If I type in a question and give my mouse a click, my computer always gives me the answer really quick. Here, the author tells that her computer is smart and intelligent. It has stored or memorized lots of information. When she types a question in the computer and clicks the mouse, she gets the answer quickly or fast. Brainy means intelligent, by heart means memorize, quick means fast. But of late, my computer has been behaving badly too. It's so absent-minded that I do not know what to do. It forgets to save my work and store it away, and instead makes it vanish in the most dreadful way. In this stanza, Govindan wants to tell the current position of her computer. While she works in the computer, it doesn't function well, such as does not save or does not store. She has no idea what to be done with her computer. Behaving badly means not functioning well. Absent-minded means being forgetful. Vanish means disappear. Dreadful means unpleasant. My computer does not check that my spellings are right and hides my files so that they vanish from sight. And one day my naughty computer actually gobbled a worm and behaved so erratically that it made me squirm. In this stanza, Shaniti complains about her computer that her computer does not check the spelling, or suddenly all the files disappear, or it brings discomfort to her life. Hides means not showing. Gobbled means ate very fast. Erratically means unpredictably. Squirm means to twist the body in discomfort. Then my computer caught a virus and fell very sick. So I had to call in a doctor, double click. As the doctor examined my computer, I just had to say, "Doctor, do you think my tired computer wants a holiday?" In this stanza, the author came to know that the computer was caught with a virus. With double click, she called a doctor to examine it. At last, she questioned the doctor, saying, "Was her tired computer needed a holiday?" Dear students, we have completed Unit 7 Poem My Computer Needs a Break. In this poem, we have learnt that a computer is very smart and intelligent. It answers all the questions very fast. When it is caught with a virus, it does not check the spelling and save the files. When it is used continuously, it needs a break, which means it needs to be shut down. Thank you, students, for listening and watching my video.